That's it. Game's done. Pakistan go #1 in the world in one-day international cricket ratings.
This was the glorious moment when Pakistan became the #1 ODI team in the ICC rankings for the first time in its cricketing history. Leading its ascent to the top has been the captain himself, the relentless run machine. The pressures of captaincy have not slowed him down. In the last game, Babar Azam kept his date with the record books to become the quickest to 5,000 ODI runs.
18 one-day international hundreds for Babar Azam. He's passed 5,000 ODI runs, the fastest man to do so in the history of the game.
Can he make his 100th ODI a memorable one? Also a hero in this momentous journey has been Fakhar Zaman, enjoying a purple patch, scoring 3 back-to-back ODI hundreds.
Absolutely superb from Fakhar Zaman. His 10th century in one-day internationals.
A key recipe for success has been the poster boys of Pakistan cricket, the speed demons with the ball.
Clean them up.
They have been ruthless, hunting down batsmen with pace and guile.
Go them. Naseem Shah has to.
After a spirited performance in the T20s, New Zealand have struggled in the ODIs. There were moments of brilliance from them, but they fell short against a clinical Pakistan team. Pakistan need to win today to retain their #1 ODI ranking. Can New Zealand spoil the party tonight for the home team? The series is decided, but there is a lot at stake as the curtain comes down on an exciting cricket series.